Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be doing something a bit different. In my Etsy store, I have started selling journals, little junk journals, little mini ones. And so today I'm going to put together some journal soup, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, so like I said, in my Etsy store I have started selling little mini junk journals, and I've really gotten into journaling again after years and years of not getting into it. And so I've seen that a lot of people make this journal soup. Well, since I do so many crafts, I was like, I have so much I could make into a journal soup. So we're going to start that today, and then I'm going to sell scoops of it in my Etsy store. So today we're going to start with some really pretty dark green beads. Next, I'm going to add these assorted plastic beads. And then I'm adding this cup full of pretty wooden beads. I'm going to add these dark color wooden beads. I'm going to add some rustic buttons, wooden buttons. Add those in there. I'm going to add some of these pretty star beads or snowflake beads. You can dangle them from the side of the journal. These buttons you can put in your journal as a little accent. So pretty. So many things that I have in my stash that I'm not going to use, so I may as well give you guys the option to use it, right? I'm also going to add in, since this is a crochet channel, I'm going to add in some of my flower charms. They're also available in my Etsy store on their own. Of course, there'll be a link in the description. But yeah, I have little jump rings on them, so you can attach them if you want to make earrings, add them to your journal as an accent. You don't even have to use the hoop. Yeah, so I'll put some of those in there. Gotta add something crocheted, right? I found these big beads. Again, they could be used to decorate the side of the journal. You know, I don't know. I mean, your imagination can do all kinds of things, right? And here's some more assorted pony beads. Some more of those wooden beads. Look at that. We're getting a nice soup going here. And look at this, guys. Another big scoop of just assorted plastic beads. I think we need to do something other than beads. But let's see what I can find. I found some more of those rustic wooden buttons. We'll throw those in there. Okay. And even more wooden buttons. I seem to, look at this one, isn't it pretty? And they're quite thin, so you could put them in a journal. Heck, you could even use them in your crochet, you know, put them on a hat. They're a nice button. I love these charms. I just love them. I'm going to make more in different colors. So when you get this soup, you'll get 1/3 of a cup. And yeah, I'll put a link for it in the description. Don't forget to check the description. I have all kinds of goodies in my descriptions. Links to all different kinds of things. Yeah. Okay, let's keep adding. Well, it wouldn't be very good journal soup if it didn't have paper clips. So let's throw in some of these colored paper clips. empty that out. And we gotta add some of my stickers that I've made. There we go. Some thank you crochet themed thank you stickers. I'll throw those in. I found some more wooden buttons. I'll throw those in and some honeybees. And then I make paper beads. Wouldn't that work perfectly with a journal? So we'll throw some of those in. And what else have I got? I've got another size of paper beads. Can throw some of those in. See, aren't they pretty? Just made from magazines and some varnish. We'll throw those in. There we go. I think we got a pretty good journal soup. And I'll keep adding to it. And I'll show you what I add to it. So if you would get some, it would be like 1/3 of a cup. And look, you can get all kinds of things in there. Right? I love these buttons. Anyway. So, look for it in my Etsy store. Link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Tell me if you like this kind of video because I'll do more. It's not got a lot of crochet in it, but it does have some. These little charms I've used to make earrings and such in, scroll through my content and you'll see. But yeah, anyway. Okay, check it out. Etsy store. And then, of course, I have the junk journals that you can put all this fun stuff in. Talk to you later. Bye now.